everybody, and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where we are currently been working on building a home for these pesky little polar bears, who need a very large exhibit, and also Snowball, the female, is pregnant. She'll have her babies up to 3 in 2 years. But moving on from that, yeah, we may have spent a little too much money on this and making it look good, and we haven't even decorated it yet. But our ultimate goal, okay, Inspector just left. Our ultimate goal, also, Dull Sheeper meeting. That's good. Wouldn't mind more babies. There's a baby in the background, as you guys can see. And actually, I think that's the only one. So she's expecting offspring. Also, which habitat? Alright, let's request a mechanic. And so, let's see. We have one baby doll sheep. Who is your mom? Wait, there's only... Okay, apparently there's only 3 adults. I was sure there were more. Yeah, okay, yeah, so James is his one child. Wynette is pregnant, and Charlotte... Huh. I guess there were only 3, and then now we have a 4th little baby. Huh, okay, so I thought there was a lot more for some. Also, who's this that's galloping? Here's Thomas. And Leppa is expecting offspring, and 2 of them are hungry. Keeper. Alright, we need to call the keeper. So, let's see. Whose baby are you? You are Thomas and Margaret. And then, so Margaret has had 2 babies, Perita and, Auntie. And then, I don't think, where's Thomas? Thomas? We need to find you again. And I don't think, Brigitta has had any babies. Right? Brigitta? Oh, Brigitta has a child. Auntie is Brigitta's child. Okay, yeah. So, are there 3 babies? Auntie, who are your parents? Thomas and Brigitta, but then... Oh, right, because they have this... Okay, that makes sense now. So they're kind of like half-siblings, because they have the same father. So there's them, there's the keeper. They're having babies soon. And speaking of babies... where is... We have Root, we have Petal, we have Embrace. I'm calling her Embrace. We're actually going to rename her to Ember. Kind of to go with, you know, because sometimes trees end up getting burned. And Branch just grew up, so also Leppa's having her baby. Then we will have 3 baby reindeer, which is super exciting. Leppa. Okay, Leppa's not leading, eating right now. And it seems Leppa is 3 stars, so I guess like her. How about the babies? Yeah, the babies, nah. Yeah. They haven't had a chance to gain popularity. Thomas and... Whoa, Brigitta is actually, So Brigitte is the most popular out of our reindeer. Alright, nice. Polar bears, which probably means we need to add enrichment. Also, we're slowly gaining money. That's kind of why I've been looking at all the animals, because, yeah. We're kind of broke. Oh, babies. Or baby. Look at... I just love how cute their little faces are. Who are you? Estery! Oh, and has Leppa had babies before? Or is this Leppa's first baby? Wait, Leppa? Oh, yeah, okay. Let's find Leppa. Leppa? Where are you? There we go. Okay, so... Okay, yeah, so that was Leppa's first baby, so that's certainly exciting for her. Brigitte has also one baby, Auntie, and, that's Thomas, I think, yeah. So, where? There we go. Hey. And Marja has one baby, so there are 3 babies, and each of our reindeer, also we have negative money. Yes, I'm aware, thank you. That would have been helpful earlier. So, now we have negative money by a lot. Why do you want food? I'm trying my best. I just need money. We have a lot of people here. Ugh. We might have to take a loan, guys. Unfortunately. Yeah, because look, there's so many people. They're just not donating or what? Yeah, no one's donated. People have donated, but... Okay. No one likes our wolves? Or what? Okay, yeah, so... We need you guys to donate. That's, like, important. It's important to donate so that we can help the animals. Okay. Unfortunately, I think we're gonna have to take a loan. So, let's go here. We're gonna try to take this one first. And, okay, now we're just, what do the guests want? They mostly want food. So, we will give you guys a whole food place before they take all our money. Because we also have to repay all this. So, food. Let's give you, what is this? Mix? I don't know what that is. Everyone likes pizza, hopefully. If you guys don't like pizza, then I'm sorry to have offended you, but it's food. It's actual real food. Do you want food? Also, how are our staff doing? Oh right, our staff room is in. Okay, I think. Let's go in here. Oh yeah, I forgot we had such a big staff room. I like that they put effort. And my workload is heavy. That's fine. You're regaining your stuff, whatever, your energy. There we go. Alright. Are you happy? I gave you a food. Like, also, why are you running? Why are you running? Information center costs too much. Where's information? Is this? Alright, fine. Oh, okay. So, pretty much everyone hates it. Okay, I'll be sure to change that later. And here's our little non-river. And our massively deep lake. If you were a person, look how far up that is. It's okay though. Alright, right now it's just a giant crater in the middle of nowhere. And yay, we have money, but not really. Okay, people want food, so fine. We will give you another hot dog squad. How about? Will you guys accept that? Also, maybe if we get merchandise. Looney balloons. Let's get you a looney balloons in here. Maybe that'll make you happy. Just anything that will make you happy so that you pay money. I just gave you a food stand. Ah! How are they still orange? Do you want another food stand? I don't know what you could want. Okay, we're gonna get whatever this is. Put it a little back and here. Okay, wait. Here. Okay. There we go. Exit, please. Many guest things. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Alright. See, we're giving you quality stuff. That's why they're underpriced. Okay, good. And everyone loves our polar bears. So that's good. Okay. Are you guys all happy? Happy, happy, happy? Please? They want more food. Why do they always want more food? I gave you like, oh my gosh, they do want food. Okay, then we'll put one over here. Yeah, okay, everyone's rushing over here now. Ice cream. I don't know if we already have ice cream, but more ice cream. Alright. Now, please be happy with food. I just gave you like 4 food places to eat at. Oh boy. Alright, well. Let's see. Let's also go get one last one. Let's see. Let's get Missy Good. And that can be right here. I know they look ugly, guys. This is not meant to be permanent. It's just meant to satisfy guests. I just gave you another food place. Oh my gosh, everyone really did want food. Why are you running? This balloon is great. There are no ATMs, so people want ATMs. Alright, fine. We'll just make you the happiest you can possibly be. There can be an ATM, like, just right here. Couple. There. Are you people happy now? Please be happy. Also, werewolves. Oh, they're all under the shelter. Petal. Oh, I forgot Petal's an adult. And Root's even older. Oh. Alright, so Ember. Ember has no... Oh, right. So Ember can't actually have a mate because Branch and Petal are... Or not Branch, sorry. Root and Petal are the alpha animals. So I'm hoping maybe they can have one more litter right before they pass. Before they pass away, because I think... Unless they can't have babies anymore. Alright, there we go, Timberwolf. Alright, let's see. Okay, yeah, so once they're 4, they can have babies, and yeah, so it's until they die. Okay, yeah, so, I mean, they should be able to have babies still. Ember and Petal are going. Oh. Alright, but, are you happy, people? Please. Yes, they're happy on food. Now they just want drinks. Fine. If you want drinks, we'll give you drinks. Drinks it is. One more drink stall should do it. Let's give you guys some energy drinks. You'll need that for walking around the zoo. And there you go. Happy, happy, happy people. And please tell me you're happy with your drinks, because I just gave you a drink stand. Alright, nice. Everyone's buying stuff. Yeah, so people don't really like rain. Okay. I think I just heard someone donate, or someone break something. One of the two. Here, let's just replace all. Who's been vandalizing our stuff? Jeez. Alright. Vandals caught, pickpocket victims. Oh my gosh. Where? Do we even have a security guard? Wait, no, that's... Where's our security guard? I thought... Okay, yeah, we have one. He has a low workload. Yeah. I don't know why he's so tired then. Okay, so. This area certainly seems to be... Hey, are you a pickpocket? Ma'am? Or are you just running? Okay, I guess she's just running home. Okay, that works. Okay. So, pretty fun. Jeez, this is super popular. Alright, nice. That's actually great. Because then people love it. And we're gonna put one more drink, shop, stand, whatever you want to call it. Let's get people some water. Just some nice water to get, a drink. Alright, and immediately people go, what are you doing? Are they just so... Oh my gosh. I can pop their balloons? No. I just want to click on them. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. Oh, jeez. I don't want to pop their balloons. Oh no. I didn't know I could pop their balloons. Alright. Petal? Yes! Okay, guys, so this is what I'm hoping for because, they're elders right now, and, whoa, jeez. And, is she expecting? Yes! She's expecting offspring! So, if she can have one more litter before, you know, I think Rue might actually be the one to die before her. Because he's like a year older than her, but... Oh, yes! And people are watching. Yeah. Nice! Okay. Place is dumb. 3 stars at most. Okay. Okay, yes, so if that's what I'm hoping for, because then, you know, their genes and their legacy can be taken even further with more babies. Kind of like we have in Wolf Quest. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for popping your balloon. So can I? Okay. If I don't click on them from above, then I'm good. And, okay, we have money, but we're also on a low. So, your balloon! No! Don't let your balloons go. It's bad for the environment. Who let them go? Was it? Was it any of you? Huh. Maybe? They still look pretty happy. Okay. Oh, yeah, she did lose her balloon. Alright. So we'll just have to watch out for floating balloons because, guys, those are actually bad for the environment. They can get caught in wires and things like that. Alright. So, people are happy. Everything's green. Why do we have so much? Okay, yeah, the loan makes sense. And yes, guys, we got a profit, and this doesn't include the loan, of 4,000 this year. So we're gonna have to keep going slowly. And alright, so Kit Kat seems very overwhelmed. And actually, guys, that completely reminds me. Let me just pull up the list really quickly. So, we actually have a bunch of people who have commented, on our Wolf Quest videos, and we are actually, oh, okay, I thought that was like the bad notification. Geez, okay, our keepers are super tired, and since they do so much work for us, okay, I actually like her last name is Bowser. Alright, so, this is Janesta Evanson. Where are you? Alright, so we are going to name her. Well, let's see. We have. Oh my gosh, we have so many vendors. Alright, so. Yeah, see, two of them are just coming in here right now. They're so tired, too. So. Hey! You! Okay. He's, let's see. Need opinions, security, my belongings. Of course your belongings are safe. Yes, I'm aware. You are the person being chased. That's kind of funny that he's thinking, like, my belongings are safe. Oh no, he got away. Alright. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay. Alright, yeah, so Petal. Oh, who was that? Ember! That was so cute. Alright. Petal is expecting offspring in year 15. And our Arctic wolves actually haven't had offspring for a little while. I think, okay, more mechanic research. Mechanic research? Africa theme, sweet. Yeah, so they haven't had offspring in 3 years, about. And when are you supposed to age up? Uh-oh, we're low on cash again. With a loan. When does he... Come on, we gave you everything that you ever needed. No. Okay, so he ages up, at like 4 years, I think. Then we have our polar bears who are expecting offspring also in year 15. Snowball is actually super popular. Icicle not so much. Alright, then are any reindeer currently expecting offspring? I think, oh wait, if we just go to Thomas, and see, oh, if we check his mates, nope, so no one is, currently pregnant for a reindeer, and I think it's the same, oh, look how cute. But I think it's the same for the Dall sheep. So, let's see. No one's pregnant. Oh, Waynette is actually pregnant. Waynette. And okay, so pretty much year 15, exciting year. Hopefully that will mean something for our money because that's going down the drain a lot. Like really a lot. Very bad. But alright guys. I have no clue what we're gonna do about the money because this is with the loan. Um, but I'm hoping that we won't just have to put everyone in storage and start a new zoo. Luckily, if that does have to happen, I think we should probably start off with the big exhibits. So, alright, here's our pesky polar bears that started all of this nonsense. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with Planet Zoo. I'm really hoping that we can get out of this, money pit, guys. And yeah, so I'm hoping we'll be able to, stay with the zoo, and if not, it's okay because we're problem solvers. So, yeah, guys, Nature Wolf out.